How to screenshot without buttons on Android. So if you want to screenshot without buttons on Android, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, now you need to go with the search, which is on the upper right, and you need to search for screenshot or screen capture. And here you'll get an interface. In my case, I have slide down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. You'll have that option on your S Capture, so you just need to simply enable the option, which is slide down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. And after that, if you swipe down with your 3 fingers, then your screenshot will be taken. So in this way you'll be able to take a screenshot without buttons. And the second way is you can go with your navigation, which is on the upper side, and swipe right. Then here you will have S Capture option. Tap on S Capture and then tap on screenshot or long screenshot, and that's it. Tap on save, which is on the bottom right, and it has been saved. So that's how you can screenshot without buttons on Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.